What is up, everyone? It's Colby here again. Welcome back to our channel. I'm really excited about this one. Right behind me, I got the 2023 Jeep Rubicon in a specialty high velocity colorway. But before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our video so we can keep this car content up for all you car enthusiasts. And before I hop right in, let's give a quick shout out to Foundation Auto in North Vancouver. Guys, if you're in the market for buying a car right now, you need to come down to Foundation Auto. They got a huge selection of cars and friendly service. Quick shout out to those guys, and let's hop right into this. All right, like I said, we got the 2023 all-new Rubicon Jeep Wrangler here in the specialty high velocity color, kind of like a yellow highlighter green. And it is a Rubicon, as you can tell with the big logo on the side here. It's going to be on both sides of the hood. And this red coloring that's going to be making an appearance on many of the features throughout the exterior and interior of the car. I don't know, guys, this color is really good. I think it's unique in my opinion. It reminds me a lot, it's giving some Oregon football 2012 vibes. You guys are big college football fans. Anyways, let's get right into it. Some of the features here, we got the LED lamp, the fog lamp, cool little Jeep Wrangler Easter egg here that has throughout the car. We got the Jeep old school logo right in the middle of the LED lamps. It's going to be on both sides. You got a plastic bumper, like I said, the fog lamps. You just got a classic 7 marked grille with plastic outlines in the front. Of course, I said the red is making an appearance with these tow hooks for Rubicon right here. Moving to the left here, guys, this hood, it's got a clear coat on it, kind of like a glossy look. And this engine is going to be a 3.6 liter Pentastar engine, and it's going to have 285 horsepower under this hood. Once again, the Rubicon logo. And let's take a look at some of these tires. These are all-terrain tires. Take a look at that tread mark, guys. Perfect for off-roading or just those classic Vancouver potholes that are everywhere. I know, guys, you'll be safe in these tires. The middle of the rims is kind of like a steel alloy look. Looks really sharp, really high quality. I really dig in those tires, guys. All right, let's move to this Jeep red outline logo. Like I said, it's gonna tell you every chance it's got, it's a Rubicon and a Wrangler. But now all 4 doors, this is a 4 doors, guys, are not gonna say unlimited under the Wrangler anymore. Less wordy, keeps it sharp in my opinion. All right, if you take a look on all these door hinges, it's gonna engrave on both sides T150. Guys, what that means, if you guys are Jeep lovers or Wrangler lovers or have Jeeps in the past, this means you can take these doors off with a simple screwdriver. Obviously in Vancouver, you're not gonna have many days where you can use this, but in the summer, you're gonna have a week or two where you can take all the doors off. Another cool feature that the Wrangler has. A more useful feature in Vancouver are these power heated mirrors, guys. Obviously it's cold in the morning, and your mirrors that fog up or get cold, have condensation on it, you're not gonna have that problem anymore. These mirrors can heat up by itself, and it's definitely a feature to have in cold Canada. All right, we just got some black accents with a black roof. Really sharp with this color, guys. And these black accents are gonna follow all the way onto the back. You got your rear view camera right in the middle of the tire here. And with your extra tire, take another look at that tread mark. Very sharp. And the trunk's gonna open from the left side handle for you guys. Here we go. And you gotta open up in 2 parts. Lots of trunk space. All the bars here are going to be highlighted with the black on the inside, and you're gonna have tons of room here. But we got extra compartments, secret compartments here, hooks, straps. Guys, this is really an adventure car, so you're gonna have anything, tons of room for whatever your extreme sport is, biking, skiing. You're gonna close the top part down first. Like I said, it's a Rubicon, right? So we're gonna have another red hook right here. Every chance it's gonna show off that red. All right, guys, that's pretty much for the exterior. And then we're gonna hop in the back, show some features, and then I'm gonna take this baby for a spin. All right, we're gonna hop into the cockpit here, guys. Hop into this Jeep. Before we check out, we once again got the red Rubicon stitching with the Rubicon red logo, the honeycomb print on both seats, and this cloth-like seat pattern. Once again, it's not leather, unlike the steering wheel, which is the classic Jeep steering wheel that plays pretty common across all Jeep vehicles. One of my favorite steering wheels. It's leather, so that means it's going to be heated. On the left, we don't got anything too crazy, just a power lock and unlock and ability to control the mirrors and as well as the handle. Once again, I said we got the heated steering wheel and another little Jeep Easter egg. I don't know if I mentioned on the front, we got the little Jeep logo on the bottom right there climbing up to the top. I think the first thing we noticed before we started up is this red kind of matte finish dashboard here. I was a little bit, I don't know how I felt about it at first, but seeing it with that highlighter yellow and the black accents, I think it's a really good design choice. And I think I am glad that they went with that decision, this kind of crimson metallic matte red. Not really sure the actual color. We're gonna start it up for you guys here and go through a bit of the display options. We got my phone plugged in currently to the USB-C, and they have also a USB option as well as a classic auxiliary. All right, they got a push start. The remote is in my pocket, so we're gonna start this up. Here we go. Awesome, you get the little Rubicon and Jeep display as soon as you open it up. Guys, there's just 27K on this car. You got the electronic speedometer display right in the middle. And once again, for Wranglers, this is totally customizable. You can go through your settings and change what you wanna see. You're gonna have voice control on the left, voice command, accept, decline calls, as well as resume and cancel on your right. You're gonna have Uconnect, but this does support Apple CarPlay, which is why I plugged my phone in. You're gonna have a beautiful map here, tons of apps available. The screen isn't huge, but once again, it does support Apple CarPlay, which is a huge win for me. We got all the buttons here, heated steering wheel, heated seats, airflow. You can kind of control everything. The sound system in here, I believe, is available on the front and the back seats. We'll take a look into that more as we get going here. You got automatic transmission as well as just the classic gear shifter, e-brake. You got the power windows in the middle, and then you also got what makes the Rubicon a Rubicon, this kind of red buttons here. You'll notice it's a front rear, you can lock it, as well as a rear only. That's really, guys, if you're an off-roader and if you're really looking to a Rubicon, this is a deal breaker for you guys. It's really important. And yeah, so before we start off here, guys, we're gonna plan the road. We're probably gonna hit the highway, and I'll see you guys when we start driving. All right, guys, we're about to take this Jeep right here on the Sea to Sky, give you guys a little first-hand look of what it's like to take this thing and really let it loose on the highway here. I'm really excited about this, especially with the weather. The clouds, look at that, perfect timing. It did rain earlier today, but the clouds are clearing just for us, just for this video. Made sure the clouds to clear just for you guys. We got those blue skies coming in with that beautiful high velocity yellow on the highway. Guys, it cannot get much better than this right now. As we see, as we step on the accelerator a little bit here, giving it some gas. And wow. Honestly, this is just what you want in a Jeep, right? Just that nice weather, driving on the highway. Obviously in Vancouver in February, we can see 6 degrees right there on the dash. I had to put the seat warmer on a little bit, so maybe I get a little bit of that heat feel to it, but I'm still in hoodies and a sweat. It's still February, like I said. So we're just trying to experience a little slice of summer in Vancouver right now with this bright yellow car, and we get a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of heat warmer. I mean, it's the next best thing to actually a nice summer day, right? As you can see, I've had like one hand on the steering wheel. I feel in control. We got about 285 horsepower, but it's still easy to control with this beautiful smooth steering wheel. That Jeep pretty much doesn't change from Wrangler to Wrangler in the past couple years, with that beautiful red stitching just under my fingerprints. It handles those slight turns so easy right now. Obviously, this Wrangler's meant for more than just those slight turns on the highway, right? But the guys at the dealership wouldn't allow me to take it off-roading today. Maybe I'll have to convince them in the summer. Maybe we can do a video for you guys of an off-roading video. Yeah, guys, make sure to like and comment. Comment down below if you want to see an off-roading video in this Wrangler. But once again, we probably won't do that till the summer. So hopefully this car will be sold by then. But I think as a team down at Foundation, they're definitely wanting to do a lot more videos like this, show you guys some firsthand what it's like to drive a car. And if we can do an off-roading video, you know, I'm not going to complain, especially with a beauty like this. Yeah, we got the Apple Car display rolling, we got the maps to the right. We're just gonna head up to Squamish. Probably not gonna go all the way, but we're gonna give you guys a good view right now on the sea to sky. Hopefully we can see some of the water coming in. Oh wow, this sunshine feels good, guys. This colorway, we got that high velocity yellow and that sun beating down. It's like that little boost of serotonin, you know. Obviously you can't see because we got the camera going on, but I am smiling, guys, absolutely grin to grin, cheek to cheek right now. This is just an experience like no other. Anytime you buy a Wrangler, you know, guys, it's an experience. You're buying into that Jeep lifestyle. That's why, you know, you drive, anytime you see someone with a Jeep, you know, they got that little Jeep wave, they have their little Easter eggs all throughout the car. You know, they're kind of in their own little world, but, you know, I think a lot of us would like to join that world of theirs. I want to thank you guys if you're still watching. Hopefully I gave you a good insight of what it's like to drive one of these Wranglers, the Rubicon. Obviously with the unique colorway on the interior and exterior. Obviously I can't say nothing but good things for this vehicle. I've had a blast driving it on the freeway here for these couple minutes, and you know, just exploring the car, finding all the little Easter eggs and everything. You know, it's just an exciting thing to do. Also good to give a quick one last shout out to Foundation Auto in North Vancouver. Thank you guys so much for supplying the car today and letting me drive it around. If you guys are in the market for a new or used vehicle, definitely give them a shout. Great service there, great people all around in that workplace. And once again, guys, I just want to say thank you so much if you're still watching, and hopefully keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing. Hopefully we can do more of these videos for you guys. And yeah, this is Colby, and thank you again.